Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the gun completely safe. Unload, lock open, and move all ammo away. Once done, remove removable parts, slide, bolt, magazine, so you can access rusted areas. Apply a light gun-specific solvent to a small section, wait 30-60 seconds, then use 0000 steel wool with gentle pressure to rub along the grain. Move slowly. You're removing oxidation, not metal. Make sure to protect nearby finishes with tape, and wipe solvent residue with a clean rag. Once surface rust is gone, focus on pits and stubborn stains. Use a brass brush dipped in solvent to work inside crevices. Brush gently along the metal grain to prevent scratches. After scrubbing, neutralize residue with a water-damp cloth and dry immediately. Stainless resists rust, but trapped moisture will cause repeat corrosion. If stains persist, repeat solvent plus 0000 wool cycles, then apply a thin coat of gun oil or corrosion inhibitor to seal the metal. Make sure you're ready to reassemble. Lightly lubricate rails, springs, and slide contacts exactly as the manual suggests, then reinstall parts and function check without ammo. Wipe excess oil. Too much attracts dust and holds moisture. For long-term protection, store the firearm in a dry case with desiccant packets and inspect monthly. If rust recurs or there's deep pitting, stop and consult a gunsmith for professional refinishing. Trying aggressive chemicals or abrasive methods can worsen corrosion. One tip: persistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.